a wonderful thing to have community get together, to beautify it, to make it better. Get involved in your community today. You won't regret it. I keep saying step by step, day by day, anything's possible. Be a part of the miracle, and this is what it's about right there. Sun shining in your face, your heart feeling good, your body feeling good. It can only start if you start. Gotta start today. Start right now. Get out there. 50 days, we're already 8 into them, and it goes quick. I've said this is the longest, shortest 50 days of my life. This can be the shortest, longest 50 days of your life where you're getting started a new project, an exercise routine. You don't call it a diet, you call it a change of life. Okay, that is the problem. People, you don't want to diet, you want a change of life, you want a change of style. You need to change your mindset, change your body, change your position. These are the only things that can definitely take you to a place that's gonna make you prosperous. Okay, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters is you. Remember that your health and your happiness is going to bring health and happiness to others around you. As you thrive, others around you thrive. It's just the way it is. It's just the wheels in motion. When you're miserable, miserable loves company. Misery will find you and help you stay where you're at. Shred it, get away, go, 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 go. Find somewhere new. Get a new thought. Get a new friend. Get some new family if you need to. I hate to say it, but sometimes we gotta leave the tough behind. We gotta leave the sad behind. We gotta shred the BS, as I've said, and we move forward. And that's the only way this is gonna happen. Step by step, day by day, patience and persistence. So go get it, because you can do it. It's not that bad. Once you start, it becomes habit. 3 weeks, you start this today, we still got 43 days. Today and 42 more. 3 weeks is only half that time. It'll become a habit by then, and by then you're with me day by day. You're doing a few miles a day, or you're going towards that goal that's gonna make you happy.